How many of you like it if somebody points out your mistakes? Maybe not all of you like it, but you'll agree with me that actually it's good for us. So let's talk about some common mistakes that ACCA students do. So number one, they always think that it is okay to skip areas and study for the exam. Now believe me, that is the biggest mistake because your MCQs are chosen randomly. So what if you're getting questions from the area that you skipped? It's very much possible. Now another mistake that students do is they think that it is okay to start study from 2 weeks before the exam, which is really wrong because 2 weeks before the exam is when you should start doing mock exams, not when you should start studying. If you start studying 2 weeks before the exam, when will you do mock exams? So that's a very big mistake. Another mistake that students do is when they do their revision kit questions, they expect the same type of questions to come for the exam. As in, they're not studying from the practice, they're studying the way the question is done. That's not correct. Because for subjects such as performance management, management accounting, the concept is being tested, not the style of question. So that is one mistake that students always do. Make sure you don't do that. Make sure that each question gives you the concept, not the way you're doing the question. One more mistake that I should talk to you about is when it comes to studying theory, what students do is they study theory and they just vomit it into the exam just generally. But that is totally a big blunder because your ACCA examiners expect you to apply it into the question. The theory you're learning is not for you to mug it up and vomit it into the exam paper, but you're supposed to write your exam answers, especially for P levels, in such a way that the application is clearly evident. So application is very important. So make sure for the coming exam session, you avoid all these mistakes and give it your best performance. So all the best for your coming exam. Do well.